I got a Nissan Rogue. Just had the engine replaced at another shop, and I got in it to drive it, and this is what I get. Can you hear the knocking noise? I mean, I literally just got this back. Has no mileage on it with a new engine, and this is the noise I get. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to find with this, and just to show you that mechanics can make mistakes or can forget to tighten things up. So if you just had work done and you have a noise, a knocking noise, a scraping noise, a squealing noise, bring it back to your tech, bring it back to your mechanic, because listen to this. This is unbelievable. So don't be afraid. They made a mistake, bring it back, and see what they find. But with this one, I'm gonna get underneath the vehicle. Sounds like it might be a sway bar link or something that might be loose or not completely tightened, because sometimes those can get a little tricky when you're tightening those up. But I'll check it out and show you what I find. So this is the issue right here. This is your sway bar link, and it's messed up at the top there because I can feel the movement in the link itself. So either it's not tight because it looks like someone had a wrench on there and they tried tightening it, but it looks like it might not be tight all the way, or the joint itself is messed up. So I'm gonna try tightening it and see what I get. So it's not tight, that's the problem. So I'm gonna tighten it up and take it for a road test and see what I get. All right, guys, so you saw in the video that I found that sway bar link was not tight up against the strut completely, and that's probably what was making the knocking noise. We're out in that parking lot, same parking lot I was in before, same bumps. Let's listen for noises. Sounds pretty quiet to me. This is really where it got really bumpy. Noise is gone. So if you got that clunking noise in the front end, and it sounds just like what I showed you in the video, definitely check out your sway bar links. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. See you in the next video.